Welcome everybody to Severe Weather Update. Today is Monday, April the 27th, and I'm doing a quick update because of a moderate risk of severe weather across parts of the Midwest, including St. Louis, Missouri, a very large population center. We have the moderate risk is a 4 out of 5, and you can see that here on the screen, both in the upper left-hand corner of the graphic here, as well as on the main screen where I have the public severe weather outlook, which they only issue when there is a moderate risk or higher. And you can see it includes St. Louis, Missouri's dead center in the middle of the moderate risk. The reason I'm doing the video, though, is because there is a significant threat of tornadoes. So zooming out for the national view, let's go to the tornado outlook, and you can see in red shaded with the crosshatches that go from left down to right show a significant risk of strong tornadoes. The red indicates a 15% chance of a tornado touching down within any 25-mile radius, and that's a very large area shaded in red. But the right crosshatch now means intensity of 2 EF2 or greater, and in the actual outlook it's saying EF3 plus. So if we read down here, numerous severe thunderstorms are expected from the mid-Mississippi, lower Ohio valleys into the mid-South this afternoon and evening, with a threat of multiple strong to intense tornadoes, EF3 plus. So anytime I see EF3 plus on one of these outlooks, I want to try and do a video. Haven't done one in a while. And we're looking at a population area in that CIG2, which is the down crosshash, of 5.7 million people. So if you live in anywhere in eastern portions of Missouri or western portions, especially southwest portions of Illinois, you need to be on the lookout for severe weather today, particularly strong tornadoes, and have an action plan in place to seek shelter immediately, either underground or in an interior room away from any windows, and alert any relatives to this threat as well. As far as the timing goes, we already have, I'm looking here at radar Omega, we actually already have a tornado warning in effect. You can see there's a line of storms already entering the northern part of the red shaded area, which is shown here on radar Omega. But as you can see, St. Louis is south of there. So I think later this afternoon we expect some of the more severe weather to take hold here. And looking here at the HRRR model, I'm going to start at 18Z, which is 1 p.m. Central Time. You can see storms in central Illinois, the same line that you already just saw on radar Omega. But let's wait, and you can start to see supercells forming in more of the red shaded area in the southeastern portions of Missouri, starting at about 20Z, which is 3 p.m. Central, 4 p.m., lots of discrete supercells, 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., and then it turns into more of a quasi-linear convective system. So I think anywhere from 3 to 7 p.m. is where we're going to see a lot of the supercells, and then it turns into more of a straight line wind event. Let's, though, take a look at the significant tornado parameter, which, again, I'm going to start at 19Z, which is 2 p.m. Central Time, and you can see that this means the atmosphere is ripe. The Cape levels are ripe for tornadic development, and it's actually like that all day. You can see it in central Missouri, and then it moves into more eastern Missouri and Illinois and southern Illinois as the day goes on by about 3 p.m. Oop, I clicked on one of these things. 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. It's still going to be strong in extreme southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, parts of Tennessee, and then it diminishes by around 05Z, which is about midnight, about midnight Central Time, I believe. So we're going to have a threat from anywhere from 2 to 3 p.m., all the way till midnight in this region of the country for possible damaging tornadoes and hail and severe thunderstorms as well. But that's the timing as far as the significant tornado parameter goes. Anyway, hopefully this video is helpful, at least if you did not know about the threat, and please let your neighbors and your relatives who live in this area know in the St. Louis area, but all around this area because today could be a severe weather outbreak, which we haven't seen too many of those recently, where we're talking multiple violent, strong tornadoes hitting larger population areas. Thanks for tuning in, and be safe, everybody. Take care.